Samsung just launched the Galaxy Z Flip 5 and the Galaxy Z Fold 5, and the phones aren't even available in most countries yet. But reports about the next big launch, Galaxy S24, have already started coming in full swing. A few days ago, information about its display and camera was revealed. A new rumor claims to offer a more complete picture of Galaxy S24 Ultra's specifications. This update comes from a tipster, Yogesh Brar, on the Twitter platform, who has tipped the upcoming smartphone will feature a quad-camera setup on the rear, featuring a 200-megapixels primary camera, a 12-megapixels ultrawide camera, a 50-megapixels telephoto camera, with 3x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixels camera with a periscope lens with 10x optical zoom. The 200-megapixels primary camera will likely be the same ISOCELL HP2 sensor used in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The ultra-wide camera could also use the same sensor as the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The 50-megapixels telephoto camera is a massive upgrade from the Galaxy S23 Ultra's 10-megapixels telephoto camera. Yesterday's report claimed that it will be a 1/2 52-inch sensor with 0.7 pixels. A bigger sensor with a higher resolution should offer substantially improved image quality. The 10-megapixels telephoto camera with 10x optical zoom could have minor improvements. On the front, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is said to feature the same 12-megapixels selfie camera used in the Galaxy S23. On the inside, the device will reportedly use the Exynos 2400 chip in some countries, most of Asia and Europe, and the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor in other countries, North America and South Korea. The tipster claims that Samsung's next flagship phone will have a 500 mAh battery and 45 watts fast charging, similar to its predecessor. It should, however, be noted that Samsung is planning to incorporate an electric vehicle battery technology to the S24 Ultra smartphone, and the device is thereby expected to achieve a fast charge capability of up to 65 watts, according to a previous report. Other improvements the phone is expected to bring include a brighter screen and more memory options. To add more, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra is also said to have the same design features of the already launched S23 Ultra, and is expected to have a titanium frame instead of the frame made with aluminum that is being used in its predecessor. So, what are your thoughts on this early specs leak of the upcoming Galaxy S24 lineup? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comment section, and for more Galaxy updates, you can check out our channel.